In this video, we'll show you how to connect TeamGate CRM with Outlook and break down what TeamGate CRM is all about. Stick around, because by the end, you'll also get exclusive access to a free trial and some amazing alternatives that might actually suit your needs better. Now, first things first, TeamGate CRM is a customer relationship management platform designed to streamline your sales process. It integrates with multiple tools, including Outlook, so your communication and follow-ups with clients stay organized. But how do you actually set up that connection? Let's get to the good stuff. The first thing you need to do is sign into your TeamGate CRM account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up on their website. It's free to try out, and they offer several plans depending on your needs. Next, once you're logged into your TeamGate CRM, head to the settings area. This is where all integrations and configurations live. In the settings menu, find the integrations section. This is where you can add or manage all the third-party tools TeamGate supports. Outlook is one of the big players, so it's easy to spot. Click on the Outlook integration option. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft credentials. This is where you authorize TeamGate to access your Outlook account. Don't worry, your security is a priority here, and you can always revoke access later if needed. Once you've connected your Outlook account, you'll notice the integration will sync your emails and calendar with TeamGate CRM. That means you can access your Outlook inbox, and all the important conversations with leads and clients will be logged automatically into your CRM. Your calendar events will sync up as well, so you won't miss a meeting. Next thing, once the integration is set up, you'll be able to use TeamGate sales pipeline features while referencing all your Outlook communications in one spot. This makes it easier for your team to track leads, update statuses, and follow up, all without toggling between apps. Now, you might be wondering, is TeamGate the best CRM for this job? While it's great at syncing with Outlook and streamlining email workflows, there are other CRM systems that might better suit your needs depending on what you're looking for. If you need a CRM that's simpler to use or offers more advanced automation, there are alternatives worth checking out. For example, if you're looking for a tool that integrates seamlessly with Outlook but offers more flexibility and a wider range of integrations, we suggest checking out CRM Name. It's an excellent choice if you're after more customizability and support for larger teams. And here's the kicker, we've partnered with CRM Name to offer you an exclusive and extended free trial available only through the link in the description. Plus, for those of you looking for the best solution to meet your CRM needs, we've highlighted a couple of alternatives that we think could be more beneficial for your specific goals. If you're still deciding on the right CRM for your team, don't worry. You can check out all these options with free trials and decide which one works best for you, risk-free. So, whether you're connecting TeamGate CRM with Outlook or looking at some amazing alternatives, make sure to grab those trials through our link. You're getting exclusive benefits that won't be found anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and happy CRMing!